super excited for this. I have been waiting for this moment for a while. I love water parks, and this water park, Blizzard Beach, has been closed. I don't remember when. I'll go ahead and put the date down here since it's been closed. But it's finally back open and it's super exciting. So Blizzard Beach has only been open for about a week. If you don't know, the water parks here at Disney tend to kind of, when one water park closes, another one opens, usually. Right now, that since Blizzard Beach is open, Typhoon Lagoon is now closed. So don't worry, both are great water parks, but I'm just super excited to be here and I can't wait to show you guys what it all looks like. Today's weather is only gonna get up to a high of 80 degrees and right now I think it's only about 74, 75 degrees. And if you're not used to that kind of weather, I can understand, you know, being hesitant, being like, it's not warm enough for me to go to the water parks. But honestly, it's great. If you don't mind that kind of weather, this is where it's to be because there's no one here. I came in, I drove in, there may have been like 20, 30 cars at most. It's like so easy to walk around. I barely see any guests. So it's almost gonna be like having the water park to yourself. No lines, and if you're a huge Disney lover, I mean, why not enjoy yourself with no lines, good food, and obviously a great park. So let's go ahead and enjoy. The water is actually warm. Well, that's good to know. Especially on a day like this. Man, I have been debating about riding this one. It used to be one of the world's tallest water slides, I believe. I'll correct myself obviously down below if I'm wrong, but that is really tall. I've done it a few times and it's scary. And I think if I do it, I will definitely use the lifts here to bring me up. Because that way, no matter what, I have to go up there. Okay, where to?
Your hands and feet inside the slide. As soon as you reach the bottom.
So unfortunately I can't go on this one today because I'm just one person. You have to have more than one person. Now you can be grouped with somebody, but there's no one over here, so it's okay. Okay, I think we're gonna start slow-ish and we'll do this one first, Slush Gusher.
Make sure your ride down Summit
My heart is kind of like being just a little bit fast. There is just no one here. It's so nuts. Oh look, oh, right over here, I don't know if you can tell, is going to be Wide World of Sports. And then you have Hollywood Studios right over here, Tower of Terror over there. Wow.
Alrighty.
Okay.
Go ahead and sit on down and slide.
Okay. Gosh, I'm sorry, I'm nervous.
Really not that bad.
Yeah.
That one terrifies me. I was really scared to do this one when we were slide testing it, but it's really
not bad.
It's really
Okay. Do you think after this one I should do that one?
Yeah, I like using Typhoon.
Yes.
I hate Humongous Cowabunga with every fiber of my
Yeah.
being. This is not as bad as Humongous Cowabunga.
Really?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Oh goodness. Okay, thank you. Oh gosh. Thank you. Phew. Can't believe I just did that one. I guess now I have to do the big one. That was... whew. Okay, so that was a lot of stairs, and if you know, I am training for 100K Ultra, and I am trying to work on elevation climbing, but today's my day off, so we are gonna use the little chairlift. That's what we're gonna be doing. Whew. Wow, what a great start of the day. And the water was just so nice. It was not like warm, it was like kind of a lukewarm, and it's so perfect for a day like this. Like I said, there's literally barely anybody here. Granted, it is the first 30 minutes of park open, but well, this is really nice and relaxing. Wow. Okay, so I did just find out as a cast member. So apparently the water park opened Sunday. It is now Wednesday, so Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's only day 4 of it being open. It was warmer earlier this week, so I'm sure it was busier. So I don't blame people for not going today because it's cooler. So I see 2 people right up here that just got in line for, oh God, there it goes. Ooh, geez, that's so fast. I mean, don't you ever feel like okay. So it's silly, but I have this slight fear that if I do the Summit Plummet, you know how it has that little slide like that? Here, I'll point it out. Like right up here. Like I have this fear that I'm gonna fly off this water slide, go up top and fly that way, rather than continue down the water slide. But I mean, there's a height requirement for a reason, so. Oh my gosh, look at it go! Oh God, it's so fast. Because once you get it done, you're done. You don't have to do it again. Oh, that's cute. All right. Here we go, friends.
Plummet or slush gusher. For a safe ride, lie flat on your back with your arms and ankles crossed in front of you. Wait for the lifeguard.
You know, I love to do very exciting, crazy things. Like, for example, I've gone skydiving twice. I don't know why. This is a little bit scarier to me than skydiving. Doesn't make any sense, I know, but.
Not tall enough for Summit Plummet or slush gusher, but awesome.
Even more climbing. Hello. Nervous, how are you? It's only 5 seconds? Oh wow, okay. Gonna have to be. Thank you. Okay. Alright, thank you. Oh God. That was so nerve-wracking. It was so funny. I don't know if you can hear me because the water's probably lodged into the speaker. But, so I told the guy up there, the water slide attendant, that I was really nervous. Like my heart was beating really fast. And he's like, it's okay, just give me a thumbs up when you're ready. I'm like, okay. So I gave him a thumbs up and I went. And then as I got off, I looked back. He waved down at me and kissed me a huge thumbs up. Oh, God. I love it. I love it. Now I don't know what to do. Okay, so I can't do Teamboat Springs because there's no one in line and I would have to have somebody ride it with me. So I think I'm gonna head over here, wherever that means. There's not a single person around me. This is nuts. I don't know how to get up there. Well, this is new. You used to have to carry up a tube to be going up there. Now they have the conveyor belt. Well, that's ridiculously nice. And you could tell it's new too by the paint job and everything. Okay, so we're gonna go over to the Red Slope and do Runoff Rapids. I do believe there's about 3 water slides, which are over here, to do. And for what I remember years ago when I did do it, Oh, even on the steps it says open over here and closed over here. From what I do remember, these were actually one of my favorite water slides here at the park, so I'm excited. Oh my goodness, this has been so much fun. I feel like I'm getting a lot done, and I've only been here for a very short amount of time. It's definitely a stairs day though, which is okay. I don't mind doing some stairs. Gives you a nice good workout. Whew. Okay. I'll do the enclosed one, yeah.
Hold it like backpack.
Okay. Thank you.
Alright, hold to the handles.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you. Oh, this is nice. Oh gosh. Okay, so I just did 2 of the 3 runoff slides over at Red Slope. I think I like the enclosed one more. It was so much faster, and there's like these little dips that were like, woo, you know. Anyways, that was my best description of woo. So, but yeah, I really liked that one. It was super fast, it was super fun. Couldn't exactly tell where you're going. I do like that. The open aired one was cool. A little bit slower, but nonetheless fun. So let's see how this last one goes. But I think the first one I did, the enclosed one, was my favorite. Oh my gosh! That was a lot of fun. I think the enclosed one was my ultimate favorite, but the other 2 were really solid. So if you come here, you gotta do all 3. But I'm gonna go ahead and go over to the racing water slides, even though I don't have anybody to race with today. Who knows, maybe I might get paired up with somebody. But regardless, I'm super excited. I just haven't been to this park in so long. It just feels so nice. It just kind of brings back memories when I went here with my family. I mean, also when I went here with my friends when I did the Disney College program. That was so much fun. If you get a chance to do the Disney College program, you should. That was an experience I will never forget. I met so many great people and lifelong friends. I mean, you know Lexi, right? Of course you do, because we shared this channel together. We actually met on Facebook. when we were trying to look for roommates for the Disney College program. So that's actually how we met. I don't know if we've ever said that before. Little fun fact. We are going to head and do these purple ones right here, the downhill double dipper, snowstormers, and toboggan racers. And I think after that, the only one I haven't done is the Steamboat Springs one. So, very nice. So I just did the snowstormers. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go do the toboggan racers. Snowstormers was so much fun. So much faster than I thought it would be.
Come on up.
Hey.
Hi guys, you can go in
All the way to row 7.
Okay. Thank you.
on your mark, get set, go!
Oh goodness. That was so much fun. Oh, Blizzard Beach is so different than Typhoon Lagoon, that is for sure. I feel like one is like super more relaxing, and this one has like more intense water slides. Okay, so I changed my mind. The lazy river just sounded so nice, and I haven't seen a single person in it yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and go into the cross country creek right here. And I'll just do the double dipper slider in a little bit. Ah, this is nice. Let's see. This is literally such a beautiful day. I cannot believe how lucky I am to have been here on a day when there's no one here. It's been great. It's been very relaxing. And the weather, like honestly, I don't mind that it's not sunny because one, I'm not burning, and two, it's just nice and cool. Oh my god, there's Santa Claus. I'll show you in just a second. But yeah, it's just, the weather has just been so perfect. It's not hot, but it's not cold. The water is lukewarm. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful today. And I haven't waited for anything to get on any water slides. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Santa.
Well, hello.
Hello. How are you guys?
Great, and I hope you're influencing all of these people.
No, it's been a great day. Has it been perfect for you?
It has been for any time that I get to see people and talk to them about their behavior. It's
Yeah.
a great day for me, I'll tell you.
Oh yeah?
Because it makes my life much more simple when I say, oh, yeah, you're on the ant list. It's not deny list. And you are guaranteed to get something, but
Oh.
it may not be what you want.
Oh no.
So that's not you. Or
Oh, okay.
check with Mrs. Claus, because she's the one that writes the first list.
Thank you.
That's the song says. He's checking it twice.
Oh, I'll make sure to remember that. Thank you so much.
And if it's really long, we have to check it thrice.
Oh.
3 times.
Oh goodness. Bye. Oh my goodness, look at it. There's like there's a little ring here. That's a Christmas present. That is so cute. How cute is that to have Santa Claus greet you on the lazy river? I hope I'm on the good list. Okay, so I just talked to a cast member because I was super curious. It was one of the lifeguards, and I asked her, and I was like, was it busy on the first day it opened on Sunday? She said it was packed. And then she said, as the days kind of went on later in the week, now again, it's only Wednesday and opened on Sunday. Today is like literally dead. And the day prior, it was pretty quiet too, but not as quiet as it is today. So that's kind of really cool to think about. And yeah, you know I keep saying this, but literally a beautiful day. I love the cave area. I love all the details of the snow melting and whatnot. And plus I got to meet Santa. I mean, that's so cool. How often do you get to see Santa? So kids, look out, he's here. And he's checking his list twice, so. But I'm gonna go ahead and go to my last slide that I'm going to do. And that is the double dipper slider one. What's it called? Oh. It's called a downhill double dipper, and I think I'm gonna go get some donuts if they have that open. But yeah, it's been a lot of fun. So I got off the double dipper slider, and which was so amazing, so fast. Highly recommend. But I'm starting to get really hungry, so I wanted to try the foods. And what I have here is the White Cap flatbread, which has white sauce, red peppers with bacon, grilled chicken, and Parmesan. And then whenever you come here, you have to get these. The donuts. These mini donuts are great. Now, if you're an annual pass holder, you can use your discount on the donuts, but you can't use the discount on the quick service. Okay, so my GoPro battery had died, and unfortunately I wasn't able to film the rest of it, but basically all I did was finish my flatbread and everything. It was pretty good. Out of 5, I would probably rate it like a 3.5, 3.8 out of 5. It was really good. And the donuts, they will always be a 5 out of 5 for me. But yeah, I decided to head out. It's been a beautiful day. It's almost 1 o'clock, so I've been here for almost 3 hours, and now the sun's up. It's been a great day, and honestly, the perfect day. So if you can come to one of the Disney's water parks, especially Blizzard Beach, I highly recommend. It was a beautiful day. There was really no one here. I mean, look, there's still no one here. If you do plan on coming down for the marathon weekend in January, I did see, and I'll go ahead and post the picture right here, that they did 50% off for the water parks for the runners and for who you are with. So I thought that was really cool. So I have a feeling they might do it again because they did it in November. So maybe. It's been nice today, and I cannot wait to come back. But until next time, you guys. Bye!